Hello YouTube. I bought a new statue and it's Grommash Hellscream from World of Warcraft. Since I saw this review, I always wanted to buy it. I was looking for a right price and I finally have it. It's a perfect paint job. No mistakes anywhere. Not in his face, armor, and the base. Wow, it's very heavy piece, 94 pounds. It's like 22.5 kilos. It's 4 pounds less than Hulk premium format. I was struggling to bring the box here. Very heavy. Everywhere it looks different from the video, from my camera, but it looks here a metallic. The shoes, the boots, it looks real metal. It's fully sculpted, no mixed media. The axe, if they made it more metallic, it will be better. From here it looks plastic, but it's the lighting. I think it's a 1/5 scale. It's not 1/4 scale. But it's very, very heavy. It's the first not sideshow piece I have. All of my pieces are sideshow piece. This is the first Blizzard statue. I'm always afraid if it's damaged or his teeth here. It always breaks. Lots of reviews. Most of them are broken tooth. It's right fine. There is the paint job. It's perfect. Nothing's wrong with it. But it is very heavy piece, by far. The second heaviest piece I have is Batman, and it's 13, I think 13 kilos. This one is 22.5. Look at the gloves. Nothing wrong with the glove. The paint job is perfect. Look at this. Look at this glove. Now I'm not showing you with the flash because it takes away the shading of the statue. The hair is flexible, all of them. All of the hair is flexible, maybe plastic. The rest is polystone. There is a glossy here and in there. The boots looks real metal, real. No flaws on this one. Wow. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.